Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get MIUI 12 controller on Realme phones. So basically this is a very latest update of Redmi phones. Xiaomi you my MIUI 12 version of your system. So to get on your Realme device, you can see here my controller on my Realme. So to get this, what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. I'm gonna show you the full tutorial on this video. So keep in touch with the videos and watch the videos till the end to get the latest features, that is MIUI 12 version, Android version. So in Realme phones, this is my Realme 6. So I'm gonna show you now. So let's get started. So guys, now you can see here, this is my Realme Realme notification bar. So to change into Redmi MIUI 12, what you need to do, you have to download one application. You will find the application link on my description box. You can just go and check it out on my description below of my videos. There will be a description box. You will find the options. So you have to download this application from your Realme phone. Okay, so after downloading, you'll find this type of interface. So now you have to simply click on accessibility, and then after clicking to accessibility, you just need to click you just need to do one thing here. It is very pretty simple. So wait. So here you have to click on this. You can see here MI controller center. So just simply click here, and then you have to enable this. So after enabling this, you have to again click on notification, and then after clicking to notification, you have to select for MI controller center here. So just enable this and then go back. Now click on allow and allow it, and here you have to click don't show again. Scroll down, and then you can see here colors. So just simply tap on colors and scroll down, and here you can see here blur behind and transparent notification. So what you have to do, you can see here, this is my transparent notification bar. So if you wanna go for blur background like this, then you can see here this is blur. So if I disable this, then this will be on transparent. So this is MIUI 12 notification bar version. You can see here it's very pretty cool. I hope you like this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos for you every day. Bye bye, thanks for watching.